website. There you go. Enjoy it. Happy Thanksgiving.
I love writing poetry and rhyme for kids like you to get you excited about taking care of the earth and taking care of each other. This is me when I was 3 years old, and you can see I have a book. I loved books. I loved reading books and having people read books to me, and I loved telling stories. Somebody asked me, where did you get the idea for your book? Well, I'm going to tell you where I got the idea for Kindness is a Kite String. I actually got it from a quote. Kindness is the golden chain by which society is bound together. You know, if you ever try to fly a kite, that you have a string and you have to hold onto that string and you have to run back and forth and back and forth, and you have to hope that the kite catches the wind. And if it catches the wind, it lifts up and up and up and up, so far up into the air. And when you watch that kite, oh gosh, it makes your spirits lift. So happiness and kindness are like that. They lift your spirits just like a kite. And sometimes being kind is a matter of just being aware. Looking around you and seeing, is there somebody around me who seems like they need something? Maybe they need cheering up, and you can give them a smile. Oh my gosh, there are so many ideas here for being kind. Let's hear some more. What's a way you can be kind?
Like helping your grandma,
Absolutely. Helping grandma or grandpa or maybe an elderly couple in your neighborhood who needs help. But what I want from each of you right now is I want you to think of a kind deed in your head. You each are a chain on this golden chain, so you're the link right now. I want you to think of a kind deed in your head. Okay, does everyone have it? Okay, now, do you think that you can promise to do that kind deed sometime over your Thanksgiving break? Do you think you can